Hey there, friends. This is Mrs. Smith here. Today, my third graders are doing Unit 2, Lesson 3, and we're exploring patterns with eighths. So let's get started. So you can use your whiteboard and go along with me, but you can see here, one group of 8 is 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Two groups of 8 gets us to 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Three groups of 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 24. 8 more than that, so 4 groups of 8 is 32. 5 groups of 8 is 40. 6 groups of 8 is 48. 7 groups of 8 gets us to 56. And then 8 groups of 8 gets us to 64. 9 groups of 8 gets us to 72. 10 groups of 8 gets us to 80. So think about, what do you notice about all of these products when 8 is one of the factors? Well, they're all even numbers, right? And that's because 2 is one of the factors of 8. So all of these numbers are even. It goes in the ones place 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. That's interesting. So if you think about your even numbers from like between 0 and 10, it's the even numbers going down, right? So 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. And that kind of makes sense because you think about we're not adding 10, we're adding 2 less than 10. So each time it's adding 10 minus 2. So instead of 18, it's 16. Instead of 26, it's 24, right? And then, of course, with our division problems, if you have the dividend or the product, the big number, divided by 8, you'll get all of these numbers right here. Let's go ahead and turn over to the back. And we're going to draw some fast arrays. Now, a fast array, what I like about it, here, I'll just open my book, that'll be easier. What I like about it is it looks a lot like that classic division box with the dividend, the number that's getting divided on the inside. So we could do 64, and then the two, the divisor and the quotient, or you can even think about it as the length and the width, the things that you multiply to get that 64. So that would be, in this case, 8 and 8. Okay, but really what this is doing is it's putting out, rather than drawing a certain number of, like rather than drawing 42 dots, it's saying there are 42 dots here, and you have it in 6 columns. How many rows are there? But really what it's also asking at the same time is, if you had that array with 6 over here and 42 on the inside, how many rows are there? So 6 times what is 42? If you've been practicing your new facts, then you'll know 6 times 7 is 42. So this is an opportunity to sort of quiz yourself. I'd like you to go ahead, work on it on your own, get as far as you can, and then you're going to correct it with me. So when you're going to pause, get a colored pencil or something, and then hit play when you're ready to correct it, okay? So 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 7 is 63. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. 9 times 5 is 45. If you're getting these right, give yourself little stars. If you're getting it wrong, circle them. What do you think you should do with the fact that you've circled? You think that's a good one to practice? I think so. Yeah, you could practice that one a little bit extra, and then next time you're asked it, you'll know the answer and you'll get it right. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 10 is 100, and 5 times 5 is 25. Now, hopefully you got all 15 correct. If you got less than 10 correct, or really less than like 13 correct, that really means you have a lot of practicing to do. So make a plan, start practicing, get a family member on board, and practice your math facts, okay? All right. That's it for us today. See if you have an assignment, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.